Two, man. Hey, look, man, it is 12:30, bro. We're gonna be doing what? Having the scout at 12 a.m. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I'm gonna be titling the video today, but as y'all see, it is 12:30 at midnight. So y'all might ask what I'm doing, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know. I gotta get more videos out for y'all niggas. So I'm trying to come up with ideas. You feel me? Like, I gotta just think of all the different types of ideas. So, hey man, we just gonna be, you feel me? Just gonna be recording, and I guess y'all just about to be coming with me to creating my content, seeing what I do and everything like that. You feel me? But what is a Scatpack video? What is a car video without being at your daily gas station? You feel me? Cause boy, man, this car be taking up so much gas. And I'm gonna do like a little review on all, like when I got the car, to how much gas I spent and all. Like y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Yo, this joint's $380, bro. I should have just saved up for Casa or something, bro. This joint's $380. But how much gas was I at? I want to say it was like 80 something miles left. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below how much y'all niggas be thinking the gas is gonna be. I think it's about to be smooth little 50, close to 60 ball. But I guess we just gonna see. But let me know how y'all niggas been, bro. You know what I mean? The last video, bro, I've been getting so much love off of my this channel, and I genuinely appreciate y'all niggas. Like, we run up the subs, we run up the likes, the views, like we running it all up, bro. I mean, that's like not really what I'm trying to focus on. I'm more focused on trying to get into a routine of like daily uploading. And today it is currently Thursday, pushing on to Friday morning. So hopefully I can get this out for y'all niggas by 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't know. I don't want to bank on it. But if we're not doing it today, if we're not dropping this video today at 4 or 5, we're definitely going to be dropping this video either Saturday or y'all going to be seeing this video Monday. We just going to see y'all, because, you know, I still got to go home, edit, sleep. Hey, look, y'all got to make sure y'all take care of your bodies first. Like, I understand it's a grind for a show, but make sure y'all niggas take care of your bodies, take care of your minds, bro. Oh, damn, y'all, I was off. It was 44. But yeah, like I said, y'all, make sure y'all take care of your minds, your bodies, bro. Like, don't be killing yourself over trying to overdo stuff, bro. Don't do that stuff, bro. But without further ado, I don't know, I might give y'all niggas a little clip of me driving up to the spot that we're going to. But I mean, y'all niggas see me driving all the time. I mean, this video shouldn't even be that long, so I guess we just gonna see. But without further ado, we better go ahead and head to the spot that we doing content with. And actually, before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and give you niggas a little warm shot. You feel me? I don't think I'm gonna ever get over the sound of this car, bro. And the craziest part is, y'all, this is not even how loud this is gonna be. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all niggas. This is literally not the loudest that this car is gonna be, bro. to the little spot. I ain't gonna be too loud with y'all niggas. I don't know, it's kind of peace and quiet up in here. I ain't gonna count. I ain't never been around this area, but this joint quiet as hell. But as y'all see, let me show y'all. As y'all see, it is 1:16 in the morning, bro. Look, I'm getting these videos. I'm trying to get these videos out for y'all, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm really trying to get these videos out for y'all. But as y'all know, like with all the car people, bro, like if you doing edits and stuff, not edits, but if you trying to get your stuff up, bro, you know you're not gonna do your little 1-2 while like making edits, bro. You gotta find a good spot. You gotta find a good place to make your car edits and everything, like on TikTok, Instagram, and everything. Like if y'all wanna watch the edits that I make, bro, just follow the TikTok. Y'all see that? I ain't trying to be too loud, cause y'all, the spot I'm at, bro, it's quiet. This stone is stupid quiet, yo. Alright, I'm about to stay. Hold on. Y'all see the stars too, bro? This don't look crazy. This don't look crazy as hell over here. Definitely gotta make some videos over here. I'll probably set y'all up somewhere so I can take these jumps. But well, I guess y'all just gonna see me taking these videos, so stay tuned and just like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, and y'all niggas know how we rock out. I'm gonna give y'all a little 1-2 of the how I edit my stuff, and then yeah. But without further ado, let's go.
Bitch said we won't never speak again. I told her thank God. Fuck another nigga, then come back. The shit just won't fly. Never crash when your little hoe get touched. You come and take ours. Nigga always bump that other shit, but never play ours. This shit ain't the same. They putting bullshit on the radar. Tired of toting Glocks. I'm about to go get me an AR. When you got some money, you don't listen, so no hate us. I know we got a lot of this shit, still won't ever change us. We got a bag and ran it up, but we all still the same. Went to the mall and bought a chain, thinking about Johnny Dang. Wish I could go get me some money.
I ain't gonna lie, I kind of forgot y'all was right here. But man, I ain't gonna lie, it is cold as hell, bro. I'm not ready for winter. It is what? It's October 10th, bro. I am not ready for winter. I am not gonna cap y'all. I don't know what we gonna do when it get cold, but I guess we gonna see. I guess that's probably my first time sliding in Scat, probably. I don't know, bro. We gonna see what we do with that jump, bro. To all my people, bro, how have y'all been? What have y'all been doing, bro? It's quiet, so I'm trying to like entertain myself, bro. But y'all know how that goes. You can only entertain yourself for so long. Pause. But Jack, you can really only entertain yourself for so long, bro. And it's literally 1 in the morning, so it's like ain't no cars outside, ain't none of that, y'all. Y'all see that? Like, who in the world? Who would have thought they put stars in the hotel area? This shit crazy. And if this joint not entertaining, I'm gonna see if this is entertaining. If it's not, bro, I'll probably just add this into like the weekend vlog if I do something, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been trying to like stay consistent with y'all niggas, feel me? Like getting gas, doing this, doing that, bro. Like I'm just doing anything, bro. Let me go ahead and continue with these videos, and I'll be right back with y'all niggas.
A few moments later.
Check, y'all live? I don't know if y'all are live or not, but I'm about to just set y'all somewhere else. That joint look crazy right there. Yeah. Can't find a bitch. Oh, whoop-de-doo. I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. Just trying to entertain y'all. I ain't even gonna cap. Whoop-de-doo. I don't know why I have a feeling that somebody is literally gonna come here. Like a fed's gonna come here, security gonna come over here, or somebody from this hotel is gonna come over here and tell me to move. For what? I don't know why. Cause it's like it's 1:37 in the morning, bro. I don't know why. But hey, man, I don't know. Bro, my hands are freezing, y'all. But I'll show you some of these little previews of these joints, bro. I definitely gotta take some more, but man, this joint glass as hell. That shit glass, boy. Whoop-de-doo. But if y'all want to see those edits and stuff, y'all got to tune into the TikToks, to the Instagram. Well, probably not Instagram, but definitely tune into the TikTok, because that's where I'm about to be posting all those. But yeah, yo, when it's like nights like this, bro, especially if it's like on my solo shit, on my dolo shit, like, bro, I just find spots to take pictures. And I ain't gonna lie, I definitely did drive a little minute to get over here. I ain't even gonna catch you. I definitely did drive a little minute to get over here. I ain't never seen it being so peaceful at 1 in the morning. Like, I used to stay up past like 12, but now, boy, my latest would be like 11 o'clock. After 11, bro, I be in that bad slump, or I be on the way slump. I ain't gonna cap. But now that I get out here and it's like 1 something in the morning or whatever, man, I don't know what to say about this, bro. It's like, it's just quiet, bro. Like, y'all niggas know how it is, bro. Like, when it's this late, early, whatever y'all want to call it. When is this late, early, whatever? Bro, it's so, like, peaceful, bro. Because it's literally just, like, you and whoever else, I guess, want to be out late. I don't know. Like, I don't do none of that party stuff no more. I don't do none of that. I just do straight car content. Like, bro, if I ain't doing car content, bro, I'm in the house slumped. No cap. I am in that house slumped. But you know, y'all depends on the little GAT situation, bro. Cause I know y'all peeped the whole thing with GAT and Mo bars and how Mo bars is ruined. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, nigga, bro. Fool, y'all Gatlinburg ass niggas, bro, racist as shit. Bro, y'all niggas. That dude, what's his dude name? I think his name's Shawnio. Yeah, man. Okay, granted, yeah, probably shouldn't have been doing that, whatever we do, but gang. Y'all calling nigga from Section 8, y'all calling nigga broke and all that, just, y'all niggas need to do y'all research before y'all niggas start calling people broke, before y'all niggas start being racist as hell, bro. Y'all niggas really need to do your research, because, nigga, I mean, granted, they should have not been doing it, he should have not been doing that, but calling that nigga broke, calling Quan, bro, man, I don't even know what to say about that. But I just said my little 1-2. I ain't gonna say too much about that shit. Say my little 1-2 about that, cause I feel like the lighting right here is better. But yeah, that whole situation kind of crazy. Damn, should I stay? That whole situation kind of crazy to me, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap. They gonna say, yeah. That whole thing. Damn. That shit cool right there. Whoop-de-doo. Bro, there's a valet dude sitting right in front of me, but I know he think I'm weird as fuck. No cap. I know he thinks I'm weird as hell. But we gonna see if I end the vlog right now. We gonna see. I don't know. I might hit up another spot, like another like a better lighting spot, just for like pictures and stuff. Cause this joint kind of trash. I mean, like, for the car, probably good, but for like regular pictures like me and stuff, man, it's hurt. I'm gonna go ahead and take some more pictures and stuff, more videos, and then I'm probably gonna catch up with y'all when I find a spot that has some good lighting so I can take some more pictures of.